Hello viewers, this is Robert, and today I'm going to give you another update of my water bypass flow control valve you built, and I'll put in a link for the last video somewhere, but it should be pretty easy to find since it's only like 5 videos on my channel or something. But anyways, so I basically finished it. I should turn it the other way, and the only thing that's really missing at this point is a piece of tubing, 1/4-inch tube going from here to here to connect the two chambers. And I guess since the last video I machined the pipe crosses here, and they actually are machined if I can get one off. Oops, I'm getting the wrong one off, but whatever, I'll make it more interesting. So this one, so you can see the little there's the little needle in there, and it's basically sticking out. The piston is basically actually right there at the end of the cylinder, but you can't actually see it with this quality of video recorder. But anyways, yeah, so these pipe crosses, I turned them down on a lathe, and I got rid of this rim to make it easier to put a die on, just to make sure I could die it without any trouble, because if I can't get enough threads, then I need at least like 2 to 3 to actually call it, safe and correct and done and proper. So I turned this down on a lathe, and yeah, and then I put 1/4-inch pipe threads on here, and I put 1/4-inch pipe threads in here, and now they go together, and it's pretty awesome. They go together like this. Yeah, and it just all screws together perfectly. It's really nice. And I was having problems with it leaking through that pipe noodle, but my friend gave me a little O-ring for a shock absorber on an RC car, and it actually fits inside the 1/8-inch pipe side of one of these things, like perfectly, and of this 1/4-inch to 1/8-inch pipe fitting. And right here, right where it goes from being 1/4-inch to or 1/8-inch pipe to 1/4-inch tube, the diameter narrows, and so basically it puts a little shoulder on it, and that's right, of course, where my needle was stopping anyways. So actually, and it seems like it actually sealed. Like I poured water in here, and the water wouldn't even come out because it's actually airtight, which is really good. That means all the seals are actually working correctly. The cylinder seal is working, and this is working. Also, I'm done basically talking about this for now. I'm planning to test it at some point, but speaking it's winter, and that's the problem with freezing. I can't exactly attach. I have the fittings required to attach this to like a hose, so I could use water pressure from my house, but it's a little cold. So anyways, another project is my friend invited me over, and I finally got condenser or heater cores, which means I can build a condenser, which is very nice. So I'm planning to use this one for my condenser, and I'll orientate it like this so the incoming steam will come in here, and then this can loop back up to the water tank. And I also had 2 others, which I'll bring up. Tilt the camera down so you can see them. I had 2 others, but the problem is one sort of beat up, and it's actually missing a little screw. So basically, it would just well, it would leak out a really big hole, and it wouldn't condense very well because it's just like lets all the steam out. And the other one was actually leaky, and it's a shame because that one had mounting brackets, so I wouldn't have had to do any brazing whatsoever to attach it. I could have just somehow figured out. Well, I might have had to. Well, either way, I'm still gonna have to do some brazing. So I'm gonna have to braze some sort of rods or something to this to mount it. But anyways, so I just wanted to give you guys another update since I had new things that happened, and it's pretty cool. So I'll keep you updated.